Hey everyone, welcome back. Is PID not working in the up bank, either not set up correctly, not receiving payments, or not showing up after you registered it? Here's the fix. First, check that PID is actually activated for your account by going into the Up app, tapping on your spending account, then tapping payment settings or account settings and looking for a PID. If it shows as enabled, tap to activate it. This is separate from having a BSB and account number, and some users find PID wasn't automatically turned on when they join. If PID is enabled but people can't find your payments or aren't arriving, give it up to 24 hours after enabling. Since PID registrations propagate through a NPP network and don't always work immediately. If you're using 2UP joint accounts, note that PID for 2UP was a more recent addition. Go to the Up tab inside your 2UP section and check payment settings to enable it there separately from your personal account. So all you've got to do is check PID is activated under account or pay settings inside the Up app. It's not automatic. Allow 24 hours for it to propagate and after enabling, and that's it. Subscribe.